Heat transfer is a discipline of thermal engineering that concerns the generation, use, conversion, and exchange of thermal energy, heat, between physical systems. Heat transfer is classified into various mechanisms, such as thermal conduction, thermal convection, thermal radiation, and transfer of energy by phase changes. Conduction is heat transfer through stationary matter by physical contact. We know there is thermal motion of the atoms and molecules at any temperature above absolute zero. Heat transferred between the electric burner of a stove and the bottom of a pan is transferred by conduction. Convection is the process of transferring heat through air or liquid currents. Convection causes liquid or gas to heat up, expand, and decrease in density. This causes movement of the liquid or gas in a convection current. Radiation is energy that moves from one place to another in a form that can be described as waves or particles. We are exposed to radiation in our everyday life. Some of the most familiar sources of radiation include the sun, microwave ovens in our kitchens, and the radios we listen to in our cars. Heat transfer is the energy exchanged between materials as a result of a temperature difference. The thermodynamic free energy is the amount of work that a thermodynamic system can perform. Enthalpy is a thermodynamic potential, designated by the letter H, that is the sum of the internal energy of the system, U, plus the product of pressure, P, and volume, V. Joule is a unit to quantify energy, work. Thermodynamic and mechanical heat transfer is calculated with the heat transfer coefficient, the proportionality between the heat flux and the thermodynamic driving force for the flow of heat. Thermal engineering concerns the generation, use, conversion, storage, and exchange of heat transfer. As such, heat transfer is involved in almost every sector of the economy. By transferring matter, energy including thermal energy is moved by the physical transfer of a hot or cold object from one place to another. This can be as simple as placing hot water in a bottle and heating a bed, or the movement of an iceberg in changing ocean currents. A practical example is thermal hydraulics. This can be described by the formula